public open houses for mainline homes. So each week I get questions about the effectiveness of open houses in the high-end luxury listings, to which my answer is simple. Do you want nosy neighbors and people trying to take a sneak peek at the life of the rich, or do you want to sell your home? Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolph with Berkshire Hathaway, Fox & Roach. And although there are pros and cons to open houses, I typically caution my clients against public open houses because of the low likelihood that they will attract a buyer. Instead, I prefer to heavily market my clients' listings and hold private showings so that I can ensure the prospective buyer has been pre-approved or has cash funds available to purchase the home. After all, you wouldn't want individuals walking through your home if they can't afford to buy it, right? Also, you need to foster an air of exclusivity when selling a luxury property, which means skipping the open houses in favor of an appointment-only viewings. There are two benefits as to doing it this way. Number one, you make buyers feel that seeing the property is a privilege. And number two, you avoid having to waste your time setting up the home for an open house that will likely be filled with mostly non-buyers who are just curious about what the property looks like, because your buyer pool is limited. Your viewings probably will be too, but that's okay. In luxury home sales, it's much less about getting as many buyers as possible through the door as it is about getting the right buyers through the door. And those buyers aren't coming to a public open house. Selling a luxury home is very different than selling regular homes. Contact me to find out how I can generate buzz for your home and host invite-only event to market your home to qualified buyers. Again, this is Kimmy Rolph with Berkshire Hathaway, Fox & Roach. Kimmy Rolph sells luxury on the main line and local areas.